Guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Gabby's Moms again. So for today, I decided to make some Filipino Puto. Get Gabby's requested this Puto for a while, and I just checked my kitchen. For our ingredients, we have, of course, flour, 1 cup. Then I will put extra 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, 1 cube of butter melted. Then you can put extra pinch of salt. Then I add 2 teaspoons of almond extract. Then later on I will just zip it. So I will use this one. All the dry ingredient, you have to zip it. Then I will add 1 cup of milk. Then of course I have to use my puto molder. I got this one from the Philippines. You can have, actually they have here, but it's just different shape. Then of course you need a steamer. I have 2 small layer of steamer. So I will start boiling the water while I'm preparing all my ingredients. Then all you have to do is just put all together all your dry ingredients. Then mix all together all your wet ingredients, and I will just use my whisk. Then mix it all together. Then I will show you guys later what is the next step. And of course, I forget, I need 1 egg too. So we're just gonna put our flour. Zip it. Then I'll add another cup. Flour. Sorry, this is our background dishwasher. So just mix it together. You make sure that it's already mixed, so it's later it's more smoother. So don't put it once. You make sure that it's just good enough for your butter. You can use mixer actually if you want, but I don't want to use mixer. It's gonna be look like this, but this one is super. And don't forget to put your salt and add a little bit of milk. Okay, put your egg. Then 2 to 3 drops of almond extract. If you have vanilla, you can use vanilla, but since I don't have vanilla and I have extract, I'm just going to use my extract. And when you're when the consistent of your butter is like this, I think the one is good. Okay, so you are actually ready to go. Okay guys, so I'll show you later what next. Then we're just gonna put oil in it. Then it's ready to mold. Then we're just gonna cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. So for the remaining butter, actually, I still have like few left, so I'm gonna add some color, maybe pink for Gabby. So you can actually put any color of your puto, you know, like you can add it to your butter. So she's gonna be surprised because she's gonna see that her puto has color. It's gonna be look like this. I'm trying to find my other spatula, but I think I need. Like we have a lot of stuff here, and I usually put it downstairs. So this is Gabby's pink puto. Just before I store it, it's already clean. Spray a little bit. So guys, after 10 minutes, ganyan na hitsura niyan. It's actually, you can tell if it's already coconut using a toothpick. So if it's like dry out, like no, meaning it's already cooked. So this one is all good. So actually this is already cooked. So we're gonna do the other stuff. I mean the other batch.
Food I ate. I think I forget what I ate. I think I forget. I like the one with the blue coloring. Now it's all checked. Thank you everyone. Bye.